Alright. Now, we got shit plugged in a little differently. It is very windy today, so we're going to see how that goes. But ideally here, we should have good audio. Clean audio. So we're testing that. Let's hope it's true. Let's hope it's real. Regretting not actually wearing my whole fucking jacket because it is a little chilly. Just a sweatshirt, but yeah, I got my music on blast, so hopefully that's not actually coming through the audio as well. Holy shit, it's chilly. And we are cruising because the cops are fucking on a sick one today. And I'm just trying to get my hair cut. I do not want to deal with some bullshit. There shouldn't be too much wind noise. This is a pretty quiet helmet, and your mic's pretty tucked away. And I got the purple panda pubes on it. That's the floof, the wind floof, for anybody wondering. Oh, fuck, it's cold. Oh, that's the ugliest car ever made. Good God, this thing has got some fucking heat. Woo, baby. Thank you, car, for not going. I know I was going a little fast there. If you're not riding a dirt bike on the street with street wheels and tires, you're doing it wrong. Just saying. Getting some audio of how that beautiful aero pipe sounds, because it sounds fucking nasty. Actually a pretty Mercedes. I like the vents on the side of that with little fender flares. That's not even the AMG, they just got that bitch looking thick. Wide. It's a wide girl. Oh, clutchless F-ships are so horny. And down. Bike doesn't let you rev match on your own. It's kind of annoying. If you try and blip it when you downshift, it just doesn't do anything. It wants to do it on its own. Dude, look at this clusterfuck. Jesus. Let's go, people. It is cold and windy, and I do not have my riding jacket on. I can snake up in the... I think I can snake up in here. Yes, directly into the cold wind.